Navigate impact the choice of contraception. Side effects. Hormonal methods may have side effects, and it's important to be aware of potential risks. Conclusion. Contraception is a diverse field, offering individuals a range of options to align with their preferences and health considerations. Choosing the right method involves weighing factors such as efficacy, convenience, and individual health. A comprehensive understanding of available options empowers individuals to take control of their reproductive health and make choices that align with their life goals.